Today I'm excited to show you a quick and easy technique for creating a unique background image that you can use for any of your cards. For this tutorial, I'll be using the following items. The Thoughtful Wishes stamp set, inks in Flirty, Flamingo, Daffodil Delight, and Tuxedo Black. You'll need white cardstock in sizes 8.5 by 11 and 5 3/4, and then a piece of Flirty Flamingo cardstock in size 5 1/4 by 4 inches. You will also require some embellishments. I use the iridescent faceted gems. You'll need 2 clear blocks. These are the size C ones from Stampin' Up, which are both 2 by 2 1/4 inches. And then you'll need a spritzer filled with water. So let's get started. Start by folding your white cardstock in half, then adhere the Flirty Flamingo cardstock on top. Next, you're going to take your 2 clear blocks and then your 2 inks, the Flirty Flamingo and the Daffodil. You're going to tap 1 clear block onto the Flirty Flamingo ink pad, and then using your spritzer, spritz the block from about 2 to 3 inches away, and then 2 to 3 quick spritzes. Apply the spritzed ink side to the left and middle side of your other piece of white cardstock, and then you're going to repeat this exact same process using the Daffodil Delight ink, positioning it beside the previously stamped Flirty Flamingo so that both of your blocks are stamped side by side. The ink will just take a couple seconds to dry. And then you're just going to use your scatter stamp and the Flirty Flamingo ink and add some splatters around your card. Then next we're going to stamp the tall leafy image using black ink to the front of the card. Where you position the leaf, it doesn't really matter. I just kind of stamp it off to the left of the card a little bit. Then while you have your black ink out, stamp your greeting on a small piece of white and then set it aside. We can put your pop-ups on now, your dimensionals on, but it's easier to adhere the stamped image to the front of your card before you put the pop-ups on that greeting. So just adhere that to your card front and then you can add your greeting. And then finally, to top it off, I'm just going to use these iridescent faceted gems, and I'm going to just kind of randomly place them around the card. I've done several of these cards, and I never put the gems in the same spot on any of the cards, so just put them randomly where you want. I just used 3, and that's it. Then you can do several different versions of the cards, do them the exact same, but just use a different greeting. And then you've got a little bundle of cards to use for any occasion.